Hey, my Tea Party Squad, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here or if you have been watching for a while, go ahead and click that red subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos here at my Tea Party. Now, at my Tea Party, you guys know I love to share planner-related videos and some DIYs and also some sticker book flip-throughs. So that is what we're going to be doing today. I am going to be flipping through the Gardening 1 sticker book, and this is a 20-page sticker book. So I'm going to go ahead and just jump right on in. This was part of the Bloom Be Happy box, and so I could not wait to just have this flip through option available for you. So if you have not picked up that Be Happy box and you just kind of want to know what's all inside of these sticker books, then that way you'll get a chance to see this here on my channel by this flip through. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. You guys know I love to just kind of, glance at the back to kind of see my options as to what I can expect in these sticker books. And this sticker book has 246 pieces. Again, this is the Gardening 1 sticker book. And we're just going to jump right on in. So here we just have some paperback stickers, some to-dos, to note, and then you get some circle heart boxes there. Super cute. Reminds me of a little like farmhouse so far. And then you have some stickers with some gold foiling on it. These are today, to do, done, don't forget, noted, to do. And then this sticker says, to plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. Audrey Hepburn. Super cute. Rooting for you. I think this is so cute to just also put into like a thank you card. Just kind of play on words, rooting for you. Happiness blooms from within. So cute. And then we get some half boxes here. You can put in your monthly, not on your monthly, yeah, on your monthly calendars. Or also if you have the vertical layout, they have that little option on the side. But yeah, I think this can go in any planner and it looks really cute. I'm always loving the florals, of course. And I think too, if you are a gardener, how cool would it be to have your own like gardening planner? You can notate just different plants that you have. Um, Hold on. Look at this. Do y'all see this foil? Do y'all see this? That green foil is everything. Oh my gosh. But okay, so back to what I was saying. So like if you have like a planner and you just don't know what to do with it and you are a plant person, agricultural type person that loves to just kind of, you can have that planner to just have to notate just different things about the plants. Like when did you first buy it? When did you first pot it? When did you add new fertilizer? That sort of thing. I just think that's a good option as well. Now, these are some clear stickers here. Some of these are almost lifelike. Like this butterfly is almost lifelike. And these apples. So cute. And please feel free to share how you would use this sticker book or what you would use some of these stickers on down in the comment section too. Because I think you can also use this if you're doing recipe planning or maybe grocery shopping. You want to do like a DIY sheet and want to do like a recipe or a grocery list. You can have these stickers here to kind of play around with and use as deco, just like on notes pages. So cute. All right. And then these are today, so busy, don't forget, get it done, to do. And these would be great too to put in the dashboard layout if you're like me that loves the dashboard layout, but you just don't know what to do with that box on the left hand side. This would be a great option to kind of put in and have just as like a focal point piece. And I love these washi strips too. I think I missed a few, but these are like washi strip pieces here. So if you want to do certain spreads that have these florals in there or just to add just a little touch to it, you can add these washi strips as well. And this one is this. Okay, so these are separate boxes. 1, 2, 3. And then this is also like a little half box or washi piece as well. But I still think these would be a great addition to just add to like some cards. If you just don't know what to really do with these, add these to like a blank card or make your own cards. Oh, and these are cute. Okay, so these are like your market list, your grocery list. I love this because instead of just having like a half sheet paper, you can always just add this piece to your spread for the week that you want to go grocery shopping. Maybe add that on the corner and just have this as an option of just your list. So that way it's embedded into like your planner. Love this. I already have some ideas what I'm going to do with these boxes. I'm just loving these foils in there as well. And so this reminds me of those layered box sticker books, but then you have the little touches of the florals and plants. I love those. All right, so that was it for the Gardening 1 sticker book. I hope you enjoyed this flip through. So continue to stay tuned because I will have Gardening 2 sticker book flip through available really soon. And also feel free to share how you would use this gardening sticker book, or if you appreciated some of the options and ideas that I share with you to even use this sticker book. So until next time, I will see you at my next tea party.